What's up, guys? We have a 2023 NX250 Lexus. We end up adding the shock sensor to the factory alarm system because what happens with these vehicles, they don't come with any type of impact sensor. It only works if somebody opens the door. Nobody's going to do that. They'll get in, break your window, and jump in and do whatever they need to do. So we added the shock sensor to the factory alarm. That way, you know, the customer doesn't have to carry another remote control or nothing like that. I'm going to go ahead and bang on the window and it will set off the alarm. And that will shut it up by hitting unlock, and then to rearm it, you hit lock. This shock sensor add-on was installed here in Miami, Florida by Auto Line Specialist. Anybody who buys this particular vehicle, you know, and wants it protected as far as rim theft, you know, somebody busting out your window and jumping in and taking whatever they need to take. There's no reports on catalytic or converters in this vehicle yet. It's too new. This is a 2023, so I don't know what's going to happen as far as theft goes in this particular vehicle. But anyway, if you got a little extra cash and you want to upgrade your factory alarm, this will be like if you would have done an aftermarket alarm, full blown. The only thing that's missing from factory is the impact sensor. So give us a call. We're here in Miami. We can go to Homestead or Fort Lauderdale. Our numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. And we thank you for watching this video.